Hello, and welcome to Financial Fluence, where we'll teach you the most up-to-date strategies and tricks for making money online. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And today, I'm going to show you how to get paid by listening to Spotify songs. I will also show you how to set up a free Spotify account on your phone, PC, or both. After setting up your Spotify account, I'll show you a secret website that can help you get paid. I've never seen anyone on YouTube talk about this. Make sure to pay attention and not miss an important step. Spotify is one of the greatest sites for searching and listening to music. Imagine if you could get paid to listen to music online. Amazing, right? You can start earning money by listening to Spotify music, no matter where you're from. India, the Philippines, the US, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Indonesia. You can earn up to $900. You may do this as often as you like. You don't need followers or referrals, and it's free. I'll show you everything on this brand new website. If you have an Android phone, check for Spotify on the Google Play Store. Download the app with 20 million reviews. Many people use this app every day to listen to music. But no one knows about a secret website where they may earn money by listening to Spotify. You must first register for a free account. To sign up for free, click this link and then click Sign Up for Free. To start listening, you can sign up using a Facebook account or your email address. Confirm it, put in a password, and create a profile username. Enter your birthday and gender, then click I'm Not a Robot to create a free account. After registering, you can view your Spotify profile here. First, there's so much music on Spotify and it's organized into so many genres. See which one will pay you the most. To play this music, click on the image. To listen to music, click the play button. You can make a playlist too. You should click Make Playlist to establish a new playlist that generates passive income every day. I'll show you how in a moment, but first I want to show you the secret website where you can sign up to become a music curator and get paid for listening to music. I'll reveal the name of this website soon. You can become a music curator by listening to Spotify music and building a playlist. Once you've done that, you can submit it to this website. Every music playlist you submit on this website will earn you money. More playlists and submissions means more money on their website. You need 200 submissions before you can start earning money on this platform. For more information, visit their website. Their website's biggest payout is £800 for 2,500 entries. It converts to over $1,000. And one good thing about this is that this step can be repeated over and over. This is a new website that anyone can use just to listen to music. Visit musicgateway.com. Although signing up may be challenging, don't worry. I'll help you fill out money-making paperwork. Stay till the end to avoid missing out on these important details. Click on the Join for Free button below to be directed to these pages. This page says Curator, Influencer, and Playlist Submission Application. We'll focus on Spotify in this video and show you how to listen to different sorts of music, upload playlists, listen to Spotify, create playlists, and get paid. If you're interested, fill out the form below. First, enter your email address in the first field of the form, and then the curator name, which is your complete name, in the second box. And then we'll work on Spotify from there. Click on Spotify now to get started quickly. Scroll down to find a playlist, channel, station, or blog. I'll show you how to do it on Spotify and how to copy your playlist URL to apply for an account. Next is to answer this question. Roughly how many entries do you receive each week? When you're answering this question, it'll depend on how much time you have, how hard you work, how many songs you want to listen to, and how many playlists you want to submit. Make sure it's at least 200 to get paid. You can then determine what genres you accept, such as pop, hip-hop, rock, jazz, soul, etc. More website categories means more money. I'll show you how to search for music genres on Spotify shortly. The following part is follow Music Gateway on Instagram. Simply say no. It doesn't matter. If there's nothing else, we can leave these blank. And finally, with the question, do you want to become a Music Gateway member or as a guest? Choose Music Gateway member. Choose Continuous Guest. Then input your name and country. Enter your login info and click Submit. So that's it for creating a free account and applying. Once accepted, you can listen to music and submit it to playlists to earn money. Now, we'll return to the Spotify app on your phone or computer to create playlists to submit for money. From there, search for appropriate categories, like pop music. Go to Spotify and search for pop music. When we click search, pop music appears. If you select See All, you'll uncover hundreds of thousands of pop songs. Then, make a new playlist. Click Create Playlist. Your playlist is named Pop Genre. Then simply click on the Create button to get started. Look, a new Spotify playlist. Add various music from these genres to your playlist. Spotify will recommend pop music if you scroll down below. So far, I've added all of the recommendations to my genre playlist. Click Join Library and Pop Genre under the playlist. Here's the playlist I just made with 22 tracks. And that's all you have to do. Look at this, that's already one submission. You'll need more than 200 to get paid, and you'll need to spend time listening to music and making a playlist. Next, I'll show you how to copy a playlist link by clicking the three-dot icon. Clicking this copies the link to your playlist. Repeat the process to create 4 more playlists. Each playlist you submit on this platform earns you money. This is how you can simply listen to music and keep being paid. And that's all. If you enjoy similar stuff, check out my other videos. And if you like it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.